Chenku Waterfalls is located in Dodowa, a suburb of Accra. According to our tour guide, Chenku simply means togetherness. Chenku Waterfalls is said to be the only waterfall in the Greater Accra region. From the heart of the region to the waterfalls is around 35 kilometers. In this video, I'm inviting you to join me and my friends as we hike through the beautiful Chenku Forest in Dodowa, a town popularly known for its involvement in the Battle of Accra in August 1826. Whilst hiking through the forest, our tour guide pointed at certain paths and routes and told us these are the paths of the soldiers who fought in the Battle of Accra. There are two waterfalls at Chenku. There is the upper fall, which lies in the heart of Dodowa Forest, and there is the main Chenku Waterfalls, which is closer to Dodowa Township. The hike started around 9:30 a.m. and we were a group of 10 people. The path to the upper fall is not accessible by car or a motorbike. You can only get there through hiking. You should be a group of 10 or more people before the center can organize the hiking for you, because the nature of the forest isn't ideal for a lone hiker.
Within 30 minutes, we should be up here.
It's a 45 minutes walk to the waterfall, but it took us a little over an hour to get there because we took series of breaks along the way. This is our first break. Some friends couldn't keep up, so we all have to stop and stay with them. Tired faces. The path leading to the waterfalls is rocky and thorny. The trees form a canopy under which hikers walk to the waterfall, but you ought to be very careful because of the thorn bushes. You see us hiking with kids, but the place is not kid friendly, so I advise you not to go there with kids. We didn't know until we got there, but handling them was a little bit easier because they became a shared responsibility.
Did you drink water again?
Yes. Yes.
There are lots of climbing to do, so at some point, some friends started breaking down.
So I'm carrying a bag of cement to climb this whole thing. You know what I mean? Oh.
This is our second unofficial break. We scheduled for only 2 breaks, but by the time we got to the top, we had taken about 4 series of breaks.
Go down.
Let's go down. Oh, God.
Hey, this is so young.
No, no, and yet Django say, it will be a fool if you found here and the waterfall.
Woo, okay. That sounds interesting. Wow, that's that I said. Oh, hey.
What is this?
It's edible. The fruit here.
Down. She walked. That's my baby. That's my baby. Nice one. Don't do it.
This is the final resting place before we descend to the waterfall. The guide said, from here you descend one more hill, then you meet the waterfall. We were so excited, but our excitement was cut short when we met the hill he was talking about.
It's a tiring climb.
So from here you can do
The hill is so steep and rough, we had to sit down and drag our bums on the floor whilst holding on to tree branches for support. Damn, it was scary. At this point, we could hear the soothing sound of the waterfalls.
Come.
Yeah, you can pick it when you get here. That is the upper fall. Isn't it beautiful? According to our guide, the water flows from a height of about 15 feet and trickles down on a well-layered rocks until it gets to the bottom and forms a pool where visitors can swim. rock formation is such that you can climb to the top easily and have a place to sit comfortably whilst the water falls gently on your skin. The water is so cold, some of us were left shivering after staying under it for a while. But swimming in the pool felt like a great reward for our effort. It washed the tiredness away and gave us a renewed strength to make the journey back. Going back was easier than going in. After climbing up the hill leading to the waterfalls, the rest of the journey was about descending the hills we climbed. It took us about 35 minutes to get back to where it all started. But later changed our minds. From here to the main waterfalls isn't that far. It's about 10 minutes walk, so we decided to go and watch how that one also looks like. Routes leading to the waterfalls are made of farmlands. We spotted few farmers around who were weeding their farms and also watering their plants. Some of the crops you see as you go along are banana, plantain, cassava, and a whole lot. This one falls from a height of 250 feet and forms a pool underneath where visitors come to swim. The pool here is deeper than that of the upper fall. Again, you see beautiful rocks of different shapes and sizes. Visitors who come around usually use the rocks as a resting place. Too tired to spend a lot of time here, so after 10 to 15 minutes we decided to move. In all, it was an awesome experience. The view is worth the hike, and if you ask me, I would recommend that you do it whenever you have the time. The guides are friendly and they take their time with you. They will walk your pace and encourage you to rest when you are tired. It's also not expensive to hike there. It's 40 cedis per head if you want to hike the upper fall. But if you want to just visit the main one without a hike, then it's 5 cedis for Ghanaian adults and 10 for non-Ghanaians.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. We appreciate it.
Maybe I was confused, or did you feel it too? In that room, it suddenly just felt like it was me and you. 'Cause I forgot about your friend. What's his name again? I really can't recall a single thing of what he said to me. It was just like waking up from a fever dream. When I found out that you have someone else and that she knows about me. Why